Pure Technology Group are a hybrid IT partner. We're one of the fastest growing in the UK, and we offer a range of managed and professional services to our customers as well as transactional IT products. We've been through several office developments in our history. This is by far the biggest and the most exciting yet. If you look at the likes of some of the market leaders in the technology sector, the way that Uber Eats, Google, even look at Gymshark's premises, we found those offices and those workplaces and environments a real aspiration, and that's exactly what we wanted to achieve here. Really was, now that we've experienced a shift in our working model, now offering more of a hybrid situation for some staff are more fixed and some are completely remote. We wanted to create a space that would work for everybody, as well as provide our team with a number of new facilities, new workspaces and event spaces where they can essentially do their jobs to their best ability and have fun whilst they're doing it as well. There were three partners that we sort of refined down to a proposal stage, and for us, Dale's proposal, the concept design, really did nail the brief that we laid out for the building. It was by far the most creative, the most exciting, and the most in line with our vision, really. But moreover, I think what really struck out to the stakeholders involved was how passionate Dale were about this project and how passionate they were about delivering the right solution for us. And ultimately, we wanted to find a partner that we knew would be able to deliver, but also that we would enjoy working with as well. And that was exactly what we found in Dale. So culturally, we have a number of social spaces and collaborative areas. So we have a kitchen and social spaces on each floor. We have a huge social space on the top upstairs, which has already been christened many times over. And we've already had to refill the beer fridges in the bar many times already. So culturally, also what we've essentially done is we've merged two businesses together. So we now have our entire technical operations alongside our back office operations as well. So we're already reaping the benefits of that all being under one roof and in one space, whereby we would have to make phone calls, send emails to get in touch and to collaborate with colleagues in the past. Now it's just down one flight of stairs and they're there, and we're already seeing how much value we're getting out of this. In terms of the actual business itself, it's not just a space for our people, but it's a statement to the industry about what our ambitions are, where we want to get to, who we want to compete with, and it's a feature piece really to help us not just attract the latest talent as well, but we want a place where we can welcome all of our business partners, our vendors, our suppliers, our distribution partners, to a place where we can all enjoy working and ultimately get the best result for everybody as well. The design process for me was probably the most exciting part. The concept for the design of this office really was to move away from that regular fixed box approach to an office. And Dale did a fantastic job really in bringing our vision to life, in having lots of strange angles that would give the building a lot of character, but also help us enhance and get the most out of the space possible as well, which we've achieved through that. When it came down to the designs, we were absolutely blown away just by the first floor plan, let alone when the visuals came along. And then when we went through the entire process of working on the signage and working on the actual fittings and materials that would feature in the building, Dale did absolutely everything they could to help us hit our budget, because that was a big factor as well, but also without compromising on the smaller things, the attention to detail, the things that really help finesse the building and give it that nice finish. And Dale really did help us achieve that as well, so we're really grateful for that. We're a team with big aspirations, big plans. You know, one of our values is to think big, and the sky's the limit, and that's always been the case really for our business. I think ultimately where we're looking to get to within the next 5 years, or hopefully less, is to go through our own digital transformation. We're going through quite a big digital transformation right now in terms of our internal systems, which are going to really not just automate things and make processes much slicker, but our customer experience will improve in line with that as well. It will make everybody's life easier. But that investment and that strategy and that plan really is to help us become what we want, which is a £100 million business within the next few years. And that will see a number of changes as well, not just in how we go to market, but in terms of what we actually sell and the makeup of our service catalogue as well. The technology industry is such a dynamic, fast-growing, ever-changing sector to work in, and that's what keeps us going, keeps us excited. And ultimately our goal is to just stay at the forefront of that and give us the best competitive advantage possible. I would absolutely recommend Dale. Great set of people, very talented team, and I'm really excited to see what they do for other organisations moving forward. And you never know, our paths might cross again in the future, and I'm sure they will.